Oh crap, I knew that was about to happen. I said, hey yo, this your boy Tulu, man, back with another video. How y'all doing today? How y'all doing? Me here. Oh, okay. Hey, keep growing, keep grinding, keep doing your thing, man. Hey, if everything ain't going right for you though right now, just wait 5, 10, 15 minutes, tomorrow, maybe next week. You could definitely be in a better situation. So hey, chin up, keep trucking, man. All right, yo, let's go ahead and get on into this thing. Y'all see we've been making a little bit of progress, you know, taking baby steps. I be nervous when I be doing stuff, man. Y'all already know I ain't no professional, man, and nor do I claim to be. A lot of this stuff I'm doing for the first time by myself, you know, with help, with knowledge from other people, which I appreciate each and every single one of y'all. I appreciate each and every single one of y'all. Sorry. But today, man, we're gonna be jumping right on to this. So what's gotta happen now, I got a whole bunch of other stuff about to change up on here, man. We got some different stuff coming for the car, different setups and everything. So y'all just hold on, man, and y'all gonna be able to see what we got going on. So today, what we got to do is take off our old power steering pump. I actually need to take this old bracket off too, and we're gonna need to take this to get a new pulley put on it. Y'all see what's going on. Y'all will see, just follow me. But like I said, we gotta take this old bracket off as well. I guess we just remove that flat here right there. Probably take these hoses loose. But we finally starting to get some meal in. Still waiting on some other things. Hopefully that pulley is supposed to be here today, so we'll go ahead and take that and get that put on as well. But we got our new alternator power steering bracket, man. Doggone, all this pollen getting all on it. I painted it yesterday. I just put it back out in the sun to kind of get, you know, some little heat on it and everything. But they came out pretty good, even though it's starting to turn yellow because we got pollen on it. But yeah, man, that's what we doing. We got our other little pieces over here as well. Hopefully the sun about to hit on them. Those are just the little accessories for the brackets. But yeah, man, so that's what we doing today. We're gonna go ahead and get this off. I got some other little things I need to go ahead and put back on the car, such as my throttle cable. Yeah, my throttle cable, heating lines, which I could have been put them back on, and the crossover. Man, I can't even think right now. The crossover steam port for the car. So I'm gonna go ahead and knock all that out. Like I said, I'm gonna go ahead and tackle this first. Just go ahead and get this thing on up off of there. But all right, man, if you're new here, go ahead and subscribe to the channel, man. Hit that notification bell. Make sure you turn your notifications on to all, so you'll be able to get the notification whenever I drop a video, go live or short, man. All right, let me set y'all up. Let's get to it. Oh crap, I knew that was about to happen. Oh my god, this is about to go everywhere. Dang it. Just gonna pick it up out of there. Ugh, Lord, have mercy. Alright, you come off of there too. Come on off. Damn. This motherfucker fight. All my life I had to fight, huh? Dang. Well, y'all always see me struggling, ain't it? I swear. It just was sliding off. Joker don't want to come off. Good gravy. I ain't trying to hurt me. Don't make no. I got doggone power steering fluid all over my hand. Do I need to open it again? Okay. All right. Let me clean my hands up real quick. And these jokers is on there, boy. I don't know if I'm stripping it or just coming off. Oh man, I don't know if I'm stripping it or what. Can't tell if it's turning. Everywhere. Alright, now we got that off there. As y'all see, this was a perfectly good bracket. Hey, if somebody need it, man, let me know. But we got that up off of there. We're gonna clean this up, and like I said, we about to go ahead and just knock out some of that other stuff that I need to knock out. Hey, y'all see we got the charger up on that thing, man. Y'all know what it's about to be time for. But yeah, let me go ahead and throw these other hoses on. Try to get my bracket back on as well. And hey, we get into it, baby. Hopefully that pulley go ahead and come on in, man. We can go ahead and get that done and have everything back on today. Let's get it. All right, man. So we got everything about on here. Throttle cable, dipstick in there. We got our heater hoses hooked up. What else? We got everything pretty much hooked up on this side as well. Besides this, we got our crossover on there. But yeah, besides the air, we ain't got that hooked up because I'm gonna have to take it back off to be able to put that bracket down there, man. But y'all see, man, we getting one step closer, one step closer. Maybe we might do a fire up for this video. What y'all think? Man, we'll see. We'll see. But yeah, man, so I guess I'll just chill out until the UPS shows up, man. We'll go drop this power steering pulley off at the shop and the power steering pump off at the shop, and we'll be right back, man. Let's go. All right, y'all, we just got the new pulley in. Go ahead and grab the power steering pump, man. We about to go in here to the shop. take this stuff in there, man. Be right back. Alright, y'all, so we just dropped the pulley and the power steering pump off to my guy, the same dude that did the heads for me and all. He said he ain't have one of the pullers on him, he had it somewhere else, but so we'll probably come pick it back up tomorrow, and hopefully we'll be able to go ahead and get all that put on. But yeah, we may get a fire up this video, man. We'll see. Alright, I'll hit y'all back when we get to the house. Yo, man, we back at it like a crack addict with 75 cents. Hey, man, I got the partner in crime with me today, man. We on the way back to go pick up the power steering pump. He got the new pulley on there, so we about to go scoop that up. We also got some other little errands that, you know, we need to do.
I get light bulbs.
For sure. Gotta make a Lowe's run and everything. You know, we got other priorities that needs to be taken care of. But yeah, hopefully, man, this weather clear up a little bit so we can do some work today. It's doggone been cloudy and raining all day, so hopefully we'll be able to get some stuff knocked out today, man. Alright, so when we pull up, man, I'll pull y'all back up. Let's see how this power steering pump looks. Alright, man, we'll be right back. Alright, y'all, we finally made it back to the house, man, and here we go. We got our new power steering pulley on there. Got the new pulley on there. As you see, it's way smaller than the OEM one or factory one. But if y'all for y'all G-body guys, y'all know, hey, y'all, I know y'all know. But yeah, man, we're gonna get this thing cleaned up. It'll get ready to put back on, man. But today, Lord, this weather's not letting me be great. It's been raining off and on. Cold is I don't know what. We just went from 80, now it's gonna be like 25 tonight. That's crazy, man. But that's gonna be it for this video, man. But I appreciate each and every single one of y'all, man. Hey, I got another video coming right behind this one for y'all, though. Stay tuned. But I appreciate y'all for real, for real. I hope y'all can hear me because the wind is blowing. Thank y'all for all the support, man. Until next time, baby. Salute, salute, salute.
Old school blues.